Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Rusty Toolbox. In this episode, I'm going to cut some stuff, I'm going to build some stuff, going to probably paint some stuff. You know how it goes. Alright, so as I said before, got to put a new sway bar bushing and bracket, or mounting bracket on the Infinity. Problem is the one on the right side is crushed, and so I can't get the bolt out, which means we're gonna have to do some cutting, thus the safety protection and stuff like that. So let's get to it. All right, successful. We've got chunks of sway bar bushing here, and the actual sway bar itself is still connected to that end link, so I'll be taking that off. I actually ordered new end links as well, since the one on the driver's side wasn't the best. It had come out, so we're gonna replace that and fix that up. So let's remove those end links and see if we can hammer out that bracket right there so we can install a new one. I don't know what they did, but I don't know if there's like thread locker on there or what. But it's a beast. It's not coming off at all. So I'll keep trying. Alright, we got the sway bar out. Like I said, I'm getting new end links because these ones are, you know, they're not terrible, but you know, they've got 90,000 miles on them, and the one on this side came out, and I'd rather just be safer than sorry. They're pretty cheap. They're only like 30 or 40 bucks. So try to get these off now. That's gonna be the trick. All right. Got it. Nothing a little brute strength can't solve. Alright, we finally got a clean sway bar. Probably hard to see since there's no light out. It's dark out, but hopefully tomorrow I'll go get those new brackets and we'll put it back in. Well, we need to wait for the new end links, so we'll get the new end links first and then we'll put it back in. So we're almost there. Alrighty, just went to the DMV, got my temporary permit for the Infinity, got a new, what do they call this? Well, it's the support for the sway bar bushing that was all bent up that I cut off yesterday. So I got that stuff. Now I'm gonna head home and hopefully there's a package waiting for me that has some end links in it. And tomorrow the front bumper gets here, and I think the front bumper lip. I got the sport lip that I'm gonna attach on there as well. So we got some fun stuff happening. Got a new lens for the GoPro, the lens cover for the GoPro, so there's not that cracking distortion on the screen. I was really hoping to get more parts for the Infinity, because I was looking forward to working on that. It's a decent day, and I actually just got a bunch of transmission parts for the truck. Didn't really want to climb under there today. Actually, I didn't really want to climb under there ever again, but I think I just gotta buck up and do it. Let's get into the truck. Something's in there. I guarantee you the bumper is really not that big as to warrant a freight truck, but that's how it's delivered. So there you go. Well, there it is. That is a giant box for just a bumper cover. But hey, I got a free pallet out of it. Well, by free, I guess I paid the $100 and something for shipping, but there it is. Let's unwrap it, see how it fits up, and we'll get to paint. Alrighty. Obviously, I didn't bolt it in or anything. Just an initial test fitment. But looks pretty good. Yeah, looks nice. Like I said, I ordered the little sport lip that'll attach underneath to give it the same look as their sport model, the G37x. But yeah, looks good. I'll have to get some more nuts to go underneath on there. I think I might be able to do speed nuts, but let's see. Yeah, it looks like everything should fit up nicely. That'll plug in there. Yeah, that's gonna look really nice. Really, it's just gonna hopefully look stock. Very cool. Well, now once that lip gets here, I'll attach that. We can do some very light sanding, some cleaning of the pieces, and then we'll get some primer on there. Start painting. Oh, look what else just showed up. New windshield wiper fluid reservoir. Oh, I guess I cut myself. Let's get this installed. So the little plug that goes from the wiring loom into the pump actually got thrown away by me, or it was lost in the accident. I actually don't remember seeing it, so it might have been lost, but I don't know. So I had to solder 2 wires in there. Now I'm going to just test to make sure I've got the right positive and negative, and then I'm going to connect it in to the wiring harness here so we can hook this thing up. That's in. I didn't torque it down too much just because it's plastic and it's a little bit warped in here from the accident, from the crash. But everything should be hooked up and working. That's fog light. So now let's go down, probably down from the top to do the filler cap, the filler nozzle. Alrighty, cool. Let's button that up. Job complete. Pretty slick. Got the filler cap all mounted in. That's pretty cool. Alrighty. Now we're just waiting on airbags, end links, safety belts, the lip for the front bumper. Man, I think that's it. Airbag. A lot of that should be here today, but we've gotten as far as we can with the parts that we have here right now. So I'm going to call it a day and wait for those other things to get here. Then we can basically finish this car. I'm really excited to get the battery back plugged in, test the wiper fluid, test everything out, and get it on the road, because this thing is fun. It's pretty fast, all-wheel drive, and should be a great car. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll be doing some more fun stuff as we go. Thanks a lot. See you guys.